When it comes to artificial intelligence, you've got a choice to make. Embrace it or risk getting left in the dust. But here's the catch. With all the AI hype out there, it seems like every new AI tool is marketed as the next big thing that will catapult you to success. The reality, however, is quite different. Let's break it down. Most of the AI tools that everyone raves about won't actually move the needle for you. Sure, they're fancy, they're intriguing, but beyond the novelty, they often fall short of delivering real value. Here's the deal. An AI tool should either fatten your wallet or free up your precious time. It should seamlessly integrate into your workflow, making things easier, not more complex. And that's what we're going to explore today. So stick around because we're about to separate the AI wheat from the chaff. We'll uncover the AI tools that can truly supercharge your life and business, making a real impact where it counts. Because in this age of AI, it's not just about having the latest gadget, it's about making AI work for you. 1. Unleash your website's full potential with 10web.io. Meet 10web.io, the dynamic AI-driven platform that's here to catapult your website into the stratosphere of profitability. Imagine your website not just as a digital presence, but as a relentless revenue generator, tirelessly working to grow your business even while you sleep. 10web.io is a webmaster's dream come true. It combines the prowess of AI with a suite of tools designed to supercharge your online presence. With its state-of-the-art website builder, you can create stunning, fully responsive websites that leave a lasting impression on your visitors. But that's just the beginning. 10web.io's AI doesn't stop at design. It optimizes your site's performance, making it faster and more search engine friendly. This means higher rankings, more visitors, and ultimately more income flowing into your coffers. But wait, there's more. 10web.io's SEO and performance optimization features are like having a personal digital marketing team at your disposal 24/7. They analyze your website, identify areas for improvement, and implement changes autonomously. This means you can focus on growing your business, while 10web.io takes care of the technical details. In the fast-paced world of online business, having a competitive edge is crucial. 10web.io equips you with the tools to outperform your rivals effortlessly. With its advanced AI, your website becomes a revenue-generating machine, attracting more visitors, converting them into customers, and ultimately making you more money than ever before. Say goodbye to website headaches and hello to 10web.io, your ticket to online prosperity. 2. ChatGPT Writer, your secret weapon for content creation. Imagine having an AI-powered assistant at your fingertips, one that can churn out high-quality, tailored content with remarkable ease. ChatGPT Writer is here to do just that. Say goodbye to writer's block and endless hours spent staring at a blank screen. This innovative AI tool is designed to transform your content creation process into a breeze, giving you more time to focus on growing your business. Content creation used to be a time-consuming process, but ChatGPT Writer has changed the game. Whether you need blog posts, product descriptions, social media updates, or any other form of written content, this AI powerhouse can generate it for you in a matter of minutes. The days of endless revisions and missed deadlines are over. Hiring a team of skilled content writers can be costly, but with ChatGPT Writer, you get the same level of quality without the hefty price tag. AI-generated content is not just efficient, it's also incredibly cost-effective. You'll save money while still receiving content that shines. The beauty of ChatGPT Writer is its versatility. Whether you run a small startup or a large enterprise, need content for a niche market or a broad audience, this AI tool adapts to your needs seamlessly. It's the secret weapon that levels the playing field, allowing businesses of all sizes to compete and thrive in the digital era. 3. Tidio, AI-powered customer engagement. Step into the realm of Tidio, where customer engagement is not just a buzzword, but a thrilling reality. Tidio is the AI-powered secret weapon that promises to reshape the way you connect with your customers, boost conversions, and elevate your business to new heights. Tidio's crown jewel is its chatbot, an AI marvel that can engage with your website visitors like a seasoned sales pro. Picture a virtual assistant that's available 24/7, guiding potential customers, answering questions, and nudging them toward the checkout button. It's the embodiment of round-the-clock customer support and sales prowess, ensuring that you never miss a valuable lead or sales opportunity. But Tidio doesn't stop at chatbots. It's a complete customer engagement powerhouse. Its email marketing and automation tools are designed to nurture leads, recover abandoned carts, and turn casual browsers into loyal customers. It's like having a personalized marketing team that knows your customers inside out, delivering the right message at the right time. With Tidio, your customer engagement becomes a seamless, data-driven journey. It doesn't just respond to queries, it anticipates needs and fosters genuine connections with your audience. Your customers will feel heard and valued, which leads to increased trust and loyalty. As a result, you'll witness a surge in conversions, higher sales figures, and ultimately a significant boost in revenue. 4. DocuAsk. Streamlined document automation. This AI-powered tool is the ultimate solution for anyone seeking to streamline their document creation and management processes, making work easier, faster, and more efficient. DocuAsk isn't just another document automation tool, it's your digital ally in the world of paperwork. Picture a world where creating contracts, proposals, and agreements is as simple as a few clicks. With DocuAsk's document assembly and contract automation features, that dream becomes a reality. Say goodbye to tedious, error-prone manual document creation, and hello to a world where precision and speed are the norm. The beauty of DocuAsk lies in its adaptability. It doesn't matter if you're a legal professional, a business owner, or a freelancer, this AI powerhouse can be tailored to your specific needs. Its AI-driven document workflows take the complexity out of document management, ensuring that you never miss a deadline or make a costly mistake again. But it doesn't stop at convenience. DocuAsk also saves you precious time and resources, enabling you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business and maximizing profits. Whether it's managing contracts, handling legal documents, or processing agreements, DocuAsk ensures that your operations run smoothly and efficiently, ultimately leading to quicker deal closures and improved profitability. 5. Microsoft Copilot, your coding companion. Imagine having an AI-powered code developer who understands your coding needs and can provide instant assistance. That's precisely what Microsoft Copilot does. This cutting-edge AI tool is designed to understand your code and offer intelligent suggestions, generate code snippets, and accelerate your development process. Coding with Copilot is like having an extra pair of hands, ones that never tire and never make mistakes. It works tirelessly to enhance your productivity, helping you write code faster, smarter, and with fewer errors. Time-consuming tasks are automated, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects of your projects. Are you stuck in a coding rut? Microsoft Copilot is here to pull you out. It brings fresh ideas to the table, offering innovative solutions to coding challenges you may have never considered. It's like brainstorming with a brilliant teammate who always has your back. Coding is an art, and with Copilot, your creativity knows no bounds. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your coding journey, Copilot adapts to your skill level and coding style. It's your personalized coding assistant that helps you express your unique vision through code. Hiring a team of expert developers can be expensive. With Microsoft Copilot, you can achieve the same level of productivity without the high labor costs. It's an investment in efficiency that pays off in terms of reduced development time and increased project output. Microsoft Copilot isn't just a tool, it's a glimpse into the future of coding. It's the AI-powered companion that promises to revolutionize the way we build software, one line of code at a time. With Copilot, you're not just coding, you're pioneering the future. Conclusion: embrace the future of profit. As we conclude this exhilarating journey through the world of AI-powered tools, one thing becomes abundantly clear: the future of profit is here, and it's more exciting than ever before. In a digital landscape where innovation reigns supreme, 10web.io, ChatGPT Writer, Tidio, DocuAsk, and Microsoft Copilot emerge as the dynamic quintet ready to catapult your earnings to new heights. These tools aren't just technology, they're the architects of financial prosperity. 10web.io empowers your website to be a relentless revenue generator, attracting more visitors and converting them into loyal customers. Embrace these AI marvels and watch as your income soars. The age of AI-powered success is now, and the possibilities are limitless. It's time to seize the future of profit, where innovation meets financial prosperity. Don't wait. Embark on this exciting journey today and discover the boundless potential of AI.